July 3rd, 2026, 7:30 p.m. We're at the Pocket Fire again. A lot of action out here today. It was hot. It was windy. A number of firefighters got hurt today. I sure hope they're okay, and we can't express our thanks to them enough for what they're doing to save us. But man, this is just incredible. They've been doing water drops out here all day. A helicopter just took off. So this is heading down towards Seven Canyon here, where the Seven Canyon Resort is. Golf, homes. They saved that. They diverted the fire around it. And I guess the enchantment's safe too. But there it is. You can see we got some fire action right there. Yeah, they've been dropping water on this thing all day. You just can't grasp the scale of this, but it's absolutely immense. And there's the sunset off in the west. Here we are some distance away, just to give you an idea of the scale of the whole thing. So here we are now at sunset, a couple miles off in the distance. You can see that thing's really burning now. Whole thing's on fire. The smoke was covering it up when we were down there. We're pretty close. That's Seven Canyon. And that's Lizard Head. Try to get some more shots tomorrow night. Boy, that fire is really going right now. See if I can zoom in on that.